I don't want to sound too excited, but I really think spring is officially here. It's early April, just before the Easter weekend. Most of the snow is gone from the backyard, uh, except for that little pile there, but we'll forgive that. It's even warm enough to have the doors open in the greenhouse for some fresh air now. So you can see right straight through. And there's some greenery in here. My figs, my beautiful figs, are getting their leaves out. I'm still not going to put them outside just yet though. I want to keep them nice for a little while longer. And even the strawberries that I have in the bottom of their pots are looking pretty good too. I had to clean those up. They were starting to get infested with friggin' aphids, like holy crap. But I gave them a good spray and they're doing fine. I did start some new seedlings too. Those were only started a few days ago. They're not going to come up yet. My leeks and my scallions are doing great. I've been actually putting these ones and whatever has been growing in my onions, I've been putting them outside for like an hour or so for the last couple of days to get them ready for planting, because the weather is going to be really, really nice over the next 2 weeks. So I'm going to start putting some stuff actually in the garden. Now I had some seedlings like lettuce and broccoli seedlings because I wanted to try a little experiment to grow them in the greenhouse. And about a week ago, I transplanted them and they're doing fine. Like even the broccolis are doing good. I'm still not sure about the tomato plant. I cut off a lot of the tomatoes that were growing on it, and it looks like it might be recovering. Still not really sure about it, but whatever, you know, it is what it is. And there's a couple of watermelons that have come up here. My shallots are like, I don't know, they're doing good and they're not doing good, obviously. I may just retry and grow some more. It's still a little bit early. Some of the bok choys are doing fine, and somewhere back there, you may not be able to see because it's so tiny. Yeah, there. That's one celery growing so far. One. My tomatoes are doing great. I have almost everything I want from the tomatoes. There's still a few that I'm hoping will come up, but so far so good. And of course, you know, the mint is still chucking along. And the only disappointment I really have is here. Very few of my herbs have started. They may still come up. I'll still be positive about it. Really, I will be, but whatever. There's other watermelon seeds here that are growing. And it is official. Gotta support myself so I don't fall all over the place here. So even though it doesn't look like much, I actually have all the hot and sweet pepper seedlings that I need. So if anything more grows, it's a bonus, but they won't be planted anywhere because I only have space for a certain amount. But that is pretty much official. Those are all good to go. So far so good in the greenhouse. Green is my favorite color, by the way. I love green. And over the long weekend, this Easter long weekend, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be putting some stuff in here. I did start some seedling plugs for like beets and cabbages, but I might just put those directly into the garden and let them grow. Because why not? You can do that. And Happy, happy, happy day for me. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. I'll try and find it. Try and find it because there's so, there it is. There it is, there it is, there it is. Can you see it? Where is it? Oh, where's my hand? There it is. There it is. Right there. That's garlic coming through. Sometimes it's the small things in life that make people very happy, and that makes me happy. So, it's not much of a going concern just yet, but slowly and surely it will be happening. Anyway, we'll catch up later. Ciao for now.